Neither one of us
You got
have
hiccups?
some of the stuff or whatever.
Ooh.
Well, if you wanna
Oh, the hiccup. Oh, no,
split
you got
some of
hiccups.
that, I can,
Is Grandpa telling you jokes?
next year, I'll give you some this year, but
Do you
next
have any
year,
hiccups?
I know what it is a pound. And we can just,
Yeah.
you know,
You
you
got
can take
hiccups?
what you like, and I don't think the things I know
Oh,
gold
tell
one.
Daddy we got hiccups. This ain't no
Right.
fun.
But I would more want just certain things, so maybe we can figure out what things.
See,
Come on,
the things
relax your
that we
diaphragm.
eat a lot are, we
Relax.
like steaks, and they're good this year.